In a forest lived a wise old monkey named Milo and a powerful lion named Leo. Milo was respected for his wisdom, and Leo was feared for his strength.
Leo, why do you look troubled?
Milo, I feel isolated. The other animals fear me because of my strength. I wish I could earn their trust.
Perhaps, Leo, it's not your strength that should earn their trust, but your actions.
Milo proposed a plan to Leo to help the animals, rather than intimidate them. Leo agreed. Leo and Milo are seen helping various animals in the forest, rescuing a trapped deer, retrieving a lost bird's nest, and guiding a lost squirrel back home. With time, Leo's kind deeds spread throughout the forest, and soon the animals began to see him in a new light.
Leo, this is your chance to truly earn their trust. Your strength can help us save the forest.
Without hesitation, Leo leaped into action, creating a barrier to stop a spreading fire. The other animals joined in, using their unique abilities to help. Thanks to Leo's bravery and the unity of the animals, the fire was extinguished and the forest was saved. And so, the wise old monkey and the powerful lion taught the forest that true strength lies not in might, but in kindness and unity. The end.